Every productivity guru gives the same advice. Write it all down, prioritize, and check things off. It works for most people. But for an ADHD brain, that daily list doesn't organize your life. It documents your failure. If you have spent years staring at notebooks full of unfinished tasks, you aren't lazy. You are simply exhausted from fighting a system that wasn't built for you. A to-do list is a rigid, mechanical tool. When you try to force a dynamic ADHD brain into that static structure, the result is active psychological harm. The tools you've been told to use actually demand the exact executive function that ADHD impairs, leaving you drained before you even start the first task. Failing to finish a to-do list is the predictable outcome of a system mismatch, not a reflection of who you are. Look at the math of a typical week. You write down 15 items and finish 3. On Tuesday, those 12 leftovers are joined by 5 new ones. By Friday, you're staring down 30 uncompleted tasks. A neurotypical person looks at an unchecked box and plans to do it tomorrow. An ADHD brain looks at that same box and asks, "What's wrong with me?" That emotional weight creates a massive barrier to entry. It saps the motivation you need to start fresh the next morning. Instead of reducing overwhelm, the list has become a machine that generates shame. There's a central paradox here. To use a list effectively, you have to prioritize, and prioritization is a high-level executive function. Because ADHD impairs that exact function, every item on the page feels equally urgent and equally impossible at the same time. This leads to total paralysis. To cope, your brain might spend 20 minutes color-coding the list or moving it to a new app. You are desperately trying to manufacture a structure that your brain can't generate internally. This organizational tool is secretly sabotaging you by demanding more neurological energy than the actual work. Standard lists are also blind to your physiological reality. They treat you as having the same capacity on a well-rested Tuesday as a sleep-deprived Thursday. ADHD energy doesn't stay flat. It fluctuates wildly, often changing hour by hour. When a static list demanding 100% effort is dropped onto a brain that currently has 20% to give, the system flatlines. This paralysis is a natural freeze response. Your brain is reacting to an impossible wall of demands that ignores your current capacity. Success requires a system that moves with you, adapting to your daily reality. Step 1 is the energy check-in. Before looking at any tasks, spend 5 seconds honestly rating your actual energy level. Not where you want it to be, but where it is. Step 2 is task filtering. You only allow the tasks that match your current energy rating into your field of vision. On a low-energy day, you only see the basics, like drinking water or sending one text. You save the complex projects for the high-energy windows. By removing the tasks you literally cannot do from your sight, you stop the cycle of shame before it starts. Step 3 shifts your metric for success. Instead of staring at what's left undone, you log exactly what you accomplished. Recording even one small task provides tangible proof that you showed up for yourself. These logged wins accumulate over time into a body of evidence, slowly rebuilding the self-trust that traditional systems destroyed. You never lacked willpower. You were just trying to force a mismatched system onto a uniquely wired brain.